All right. Abby, get one of your presents. You want to open this one? Open that one. See what it is. What's in there? Open it up. Open it up. Come on. Abby, this one. Open it up. Something in there. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Open it up. Yeah. Look. Mommy will help you a little bit. Oh, what's in there? What is that, huh? What is that? Get it. Get it. What is that, huh? Can you get her out? Pull it out. Get it out of there. Get it. She's stuck. Oh, you got a dolly. Abby got a dolly. Yeah, you like her? It's a little dolly. Yeah. All right. See what else is in here. What else is in here? Oh, you got lots of stuff in there. Lots of stuff. You like the dolly, huh? Yeah, little dolly. Okay, Abby, open something else. What's in here? Oh, what is that? Come on, what is it? You just want to play with the dolly? Oh, what is this? Look in here, Abby. Look in here. Come on. Oh, what is that? What is this, huh? What is in there? Hey, bring her back. Oh, look at Abby. Oh, look what fell out of the package. Yay! Yay! And one of these, you like these. Yeah. New one. New one. All right, let's see what else you got. What else you got in here? There's more stuff, Abby. Come on. Oh, what's this? You just like that dolly, huh? You like your dolly? Here, open this one, Abby. Open this one. See what's in here, Abby. Oh, what's in there? What's in here? Come on, Abby. Abby. Oh, you goof. Here. Here, let's put the dolly in there. Abby, open your presents. Oh, my goodness. Well, I'm glad you like the dolly. Dolores was with me when I bought that. The rest I made. You don't even want to open them up, huh? What's in here? Abby, come and see what's in here. What's in here, huh? Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? Yay! What is it? Open it up. Oh, it's a little teddy bear. It's a little teddy bear. You can go, "Err." You like the teddy bear, Abby, huh? Not so much. You like the dolly better, huh? What else you got in here? You still got 2 more presents. Open this one. See what's in there. Happy birthday, Abby. 1 year old today. I'm glad you're gentle with your stuff. You'll have it a long time then. Why don't you try and open this? Abby, open that. Abby, try that. Okay, the dolly's going to sit right there. Open your present. Come on. No, maybe later? You want to save it for later? Huh? Always a pretty girl, huh? Abby. You're a pretty girl, you know that? Pretty girl. Abigail, can you shake hands? Shake hands? Come on, shake hands. Sit, sit. Shake hands. Good girl. High five? High five? Come on, give me a high five. Abby, sit. High five? High five? All right, you tried. Low five? All right, good girl. You're like, leave me alone. I just want to play with my dolly. Good, that fits right in your mouth. I was hoping it would. What is it? What is it? Whee! Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, that's enough of this. I guess you'll open the other stuff later.